Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can remove the hard drive from the Cosmos CoolMaster computer case. So let's see how you can remove the hard drive. Now before you do anything, make sure you first shut down the computer, turn off the computer, and turn off the power on the computer. So here we switch it off. Now first we need to go to the other side of the computer so that we can unplug the cable. Okay, so this is the other side of the computer case. At the back here there are two screws. You can use the hand to untighten the screws. That's one. Here's another one at the bottom. Okay, we got that out of the way, and then you can just pull the one out like that. And that will come off. Okay, and then we'll take out the cover on the left side. Here at the top there are cables, so pick your hard drive, which one you want to remove. Now in here you got two different hard drive. You got the SSD hard drive, the smaller one, and you got the 3.5 SATA hard drive. So let's say we want to remove this one here. There is a power cable. So we remove that, and there is also a data cable that we can remove. So unplug that, and then from here you can see it is still locked in place. You can't remove from this side, so we need to go to the other side of the computer. Okay, so I'm on the other side of the computer now. Again, there are two screws we need to remove. One at the bottom as well. And then pull out, and this is inside the computer. Here there is a hard drive. You can see there is two clips, so you want to push it in like this, and then we can pull out the hard drive. So that's locked the hard drive in place. So we squeeze it in, and then we pull out the hard drive. Okay, so once it is removed, we need to unlock it. Now with this particular one, you can see there is no screws on it. Okay, so with this hard drive, you turn it around. If there's a button here, you press on it, and then you pull this one out outwards like this. Okay, so you pull out, and that will create the space. You can see I can squeeze it in or push it out. That will create the space, unlocking the hard drive. Okay, so that's how you can remove the hard drive. And then here with this hard drive tray, we can place it back in and squeeze it in so that it gets locked into place. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. After that, you can simply put the cover back on. Thank you for watching.